How to contact Snapchat support. So first is to launch the Snapchat application. Then tap your Bitmoji found on the upper left corner. Tap the gear icon or the settings icon located on the upper right corner. Now scroll down until you find the support section. Under support, tap on I need help. So now we're in this page called Snapchat support. So as you can see under shortcuts, these are the most commonly faced problems in Snapchat. And if you scroll down, under browse support site are the frequently asked questions. Now if you don't see your questions or issues faced here, what you can do is to simply input that here in the text box. So say for example, I want to delete my account. Now it will provide me instructions on how to do that exactly. And so that is how you contact Snapchat support. Thank you and have a great day.